What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KLBK, man. It's so good to see each and every single one of you guys. Listen, we were already just talking. For those of you that are tuning in from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, I greatly appreciate you. And there's also some individuals from Telegram. Now, listen, scam alert, scam alert. I will never ever ask you to send me money and I will flip it for you. Never ever. That's not me. What I do here is I employ you to gain the knowledge, to gain the skill so you can do it yourself. I'm about empowering you, not having an individual send me money to grow it for you. You guys have been on here if you've been following and been watching. If this is your first time, I show you how to do that. The reason I do that is because I want to empower you so you can continue to do it. I may not be here, God forbid, but I still want you to be able to get into the market and know how to trade. That's the beautiful thing about this. Listen, if anybody ever asks you for money, I don't care if it's a company, I don't care if it's an individual. If they're saying, hey, send me money and I'll grow it for you. Send me money, I'll flip it for you. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. And I know there's companies out there that are Ponzi schemes that have an umbrella where it looks very good for you to buy into their system so you can send them your hard-earned money and they turn around and supposedly grow it for you. Listen, guys, I've been scammed before. I lost over 10K doing something like this when I first started in Japan. And that was $10,000 worth of Bitcoin back in the day. I gave them Bitcoin, y'all. So you know where Bitcoin sits right now. Am I mad about it? No, it's a life lesson learned. Now I can tell individuals who I have conversations with on the red flags, the cautions. You guys know I'm real big on the caution, warning, abort. You abort. If they start asking you to send money, or you got a company saying, hey, send me money, I have a product, I have a bot that's going to grow this APR, and they're showing you returns, and they got pictures up and videos up and people commenting on posts, and it looks good. You got to ask yourself, if it's too good to be true, what's really behind the scene? What's really going on? What's really going on is that they are fabricating what you see. There's a way where they can fabricate your numbers because you're on their system to make it look like you're getting gains, but you're actually not. They're showing you a fictitious number. And what happens is, I even know individuals who say, hey, I was able to pull money out, so I invested more. That's what they want you to do. Some of these companies will allow you to pull a little money out so you can invest more of your money because you're seeing the gains and you're like, hey, well, if I grew 60, 80, whatever the percent may be in a short amount of time with this little amount of money, what will happen if I invest more? And that's where the greed effect comes in, because now you're like, hey, I want more. So I want to get in while the getting's good. So what happens is, those individuals that are getting paid out, the way they're able to pay those individuals, it's not coming from trading, it's not coming from the growth of the company. What happens is, you have other investors who are investing money, larger amount of money, and they can pay you out from what they invested, because there's a time period that the money must grow. So before that happens, they can pay you a little bit of the money that they invested to keep you coming back, to keep you investing more. And then when the individual who invested even more money, they show them the fictitious number. So then they come back and they invest more, and they show the growth of that account. It's not a real number. It's not real money until you see it in your account. So you withdraw that money. It's the same thing with trading, guys. When you guys are trading, I know we're compounding, but until you actually withdraw that money and you have it in your account and you can touch it, you can feel it, that's when you can say you've done your job. That's when you can say, hey, I got it. I know how to trade, because it's in your hand. Now you can take that capital and use it for whatever you want. So you can compound. But when you guys do that withdrawal, there's no better feeling. When you do that first withdrawal, you're like, hey, this thing works. And then you just go harder. You go harder. Now you have those other people, and you got those crypto guys out there right now that are saying, "Hey, you send me this money, I'll grow your crypto over here." Red flag. Red flag. If you don't own your privacy keys to your crypto, it's not your crypto. All those individuals that are using Robinhood, Robinhood doesn't own crypto, guys. They don't. It's not theirs. It's not theirs. You own your own crypto when you have your 12-word phrase key. If you don't have your 12-word phrase key, it's not yours. And the best way for me to break this part down is if you were to buy crypto on Robinhood and you wanted to cash it out or you wanted to move it to another platform, there's plenty of platforms out there that you can use, hot wallets and cold wallets. But let's just say you wanted to move it because maybe you want to stake some crypto on another platform that's paying out a little bit more, giving you some more drippings. But Robinhood, there's not going to give you the crypto, guys. They're going to give you the face value of that crypto. So check me out. Let's just say crypto, let's just use Bitcoin. Everybody knows Bitcoin, right? Let's say Bitcoin is sitting at $100,000 right now and you want to take it off the exchange to move it to another wallet. Why you would do that? There's many reasons why, but we'll talk about that later. But let's just say you want to move it, and let's say it was valued at 100K when you withdrew, and why they gave you the cash dollar of $100,000, you have fiat currency, it shot up to $500,000. You're going to miss that. Instead of your value going to increasing $400,000, you're only going to have $100,000 liquid cash. But if you own your crypto and you have your 12-word phrase, when you withdraw your crypto from your wallet at face value of $100,000 and move it to another wallet, connected to the internet or not, if it goes up to $500,000 or $400,000 increase, even if it's not on that platform, you still now have $500,000. That is the key factor with dealing with brokers that own their crypto and brokers that do not own their crypto. That is the important part to having your 12-word phrase, your 12-word security phrase, and not having your 12-word security phrase. And right now, during this time, they are betting on the individual who knows nothing about it to make those mistakes so they can take advantage of you. And that's not what we want. We want all you guys to be protected. And there's other things that go into it. But yeah, bro, I will never, ever, ever talking about I'm going to grow your money, send me some money. That's not me, bro. So they hit you up on Telegram?
Yep.
What did they say, bro?
Claude, Claude shows the world. I'll tell you exactly what they said.
Boy, listen to this, y'all. Hey, they say if
I'll tell
somebody,
you.
they say if somebody copying you, you made it. That's what they say. That's what they say. I'm just little old me, man. Little old me, man. Here to help the people, man.
So he hit me on January 3rd. This is what first set me off because you had to go do something.
Okay.
So we didn't have class. And he was like, "Hello, James. What's good today?" I was like, "All right." So I'm just looking at the market right now. He said, "Yeah, yeah, that's great. Same as well. Hope you're making progress." But he ended that with a question mark. That's not a question. That's a statement. And I said, the market was very choppy this morning, very little consistency. So then he replied back to that, "We keep moving."
What?
I was like, all right. So then yesterday he hit me. So
He hit
there's a
you. Oh wait,
stress.
he hit you again yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday was when he made the pitch.
Okay.
So there's a stress-free trade ongoing. There's a stress-free trade ongoing on a different dimension. I do the trade while you wait for profit return weekly, and the profit is massive. Three times of what you deposit will be sent back as your profit return in a week time. And he ended that with a question mark. That's not a question.
That's number one. Like for real. Like when you're trading, and you guys have seen it too, you cannot guarantee a percentage a weekly percentage. You can't. You cannot. You can strive to achieve a certain percentage because of the way the market, but you guys know when you look at some charts, it's going up, it's going down, the trade's not there. So you just wait and you be patient. Like we just had a whole week last week where we didn't even trade. Can you imagine if you would have traded? You would have blew your account. If you would have kept trading, you would have blew your account. But that's crazy, man. But anyway, let's get to it, man. James, I don't even know why you posted up, why you pinned up here, bro. How you do it, man? You always pinning at the top, man. Between you and Nelly, my girl Nelly's on here. What's going on, Nelly? Good to see you. Good to see you. But guys, once again, KOBK, aka Curry, aka Claude, aka y'all don't need the other aliases. But I will never, ever, 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 ever do that. You guys know my goal is to employ you, to teach you, so you can do this for yourself, by yourself. Cool? Any questions?
Yep.
Let's get to it. I think I'm gonna use that for an intro, y'all. I think so. Let's do this again. All right. Anyway, let's get into it, man. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna look at the market real quick. Did anybody already hit their percentage for the day? I did. Did anybody else hit their percentage for the day? Or you guys are waiting for now?
I'm only at 2% right now.
Okay.
So I got another 3 to go.
Cool. So the currency strength meter, USD, we had a red folder. That thing is massively strong. I'm gonna literally try to stay away from that unless something else presents itself. Forex factory, CAD has news, USD has news. All right, cool. Let's get to the market. So today we will be using the reckoning strategy. If you guys see anything in the market, Lula, hold up. Lula, what? Hold on, y'all. Lula just said they tried to do it on my Discord channel. Lula, where you at? Unmute, sis. Unmute. What happened?
No, not your Discord, but they do it on Discords too.
Oh, I was about to say, I just built that
yours.
Discord. Hold on now. Like, that's a brand new Discord. The only people in there are you guys. I'm like, okay, do we have a mole in this group? Okay, cool. All right, let's get to it. So I do have the scholars on the call today, guys. For those of you that are tuning in from various platforms, they may see some trades as well and be calling trades out as well. So today we are using the strategy called, let me move this out the way, the strategy called the reckoning. I am using Heiken Ash candles, guys, so I can see more of the price action with inside the candle, and it just makes it easier to read the chart. Right here in this section you see green, so you know the buyers have majority of the control. Right here it's red, so you know the sellers have majority of the control. I will not give you guys the settings. Those settings are for my scholars and the individuals who paid for the strategy to honor the strategy, but I will explain to you guys how everything works. We will be trading 10 seconds depending on the market. The reason I'm doing 10 seconds because I like to be done trading this time frame with inside a candle if the right setup presents itself. And then you guys know, if you've been following, green we're buying, red we're selling, and then we have our different items down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, select a few of these, and I'm going to hop into the market ASAP, guys, so we can be done fast, make our percentage, and be done, because it doesn't take long. We have no, we might be able to take a buy here, actually. That's USD. I'm going against USD. Let's see if EUR USD is setting up, actually. So I'm being patient right here. I got my green on top, waiting for green here. I got a red. Red just dropped. I'm going to abort that mission. That is not ready. Remember, my signal for this trading style is I'm looking for my cross. That is the first thing that I'm looking for. Everything else for me, the way I look at this, is irrelevant to me. If I don't see a good cross, I'm not taking it. And the reason is because right now I am not looking for a continuation. Granted, we crossed back here, but we're below our red line, so I wouldn't have taken this trade. But as you can see, it still went up. Now, I could hop in for a continuation, but I want a perfect trade. I want to find one for our first trade when I hit it going well. Right here is our cross, guys. We're above our red. That's telling us buy. We got a fractal red candle. That is your caution. We have another caution. We're green here. This is telling me it's a go. Green here, telling me it's a go. green on top telling me it's go. We literally could have taken every single one of these trades. So we would have cleared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in a row. Then we got a caution. We would have waited. Reversal. Caution right here with the red doji telling us it wants to go down. Doji green telling us it wants to go up. Green candle waiting for it to close above our triangle red there before we would enter that trade if we were to take this trade. This candle closed below. This candle is closing above. That is what we want to see, but we have a caution here, so we do not take that trade. Then we got the triangle telling us that the market wants to come down, so you would actually wait on AUDNZD. So let's see here. I do not see any crosses as of now, which is not a big deal. Gonna deselect. Go select some other pairs. We are trading OTC, guys. I love OTC. These strategies work on OTC, works on regular Forex, works on crypto, and it also works on stocks. Every single one of my strategies works across the board. My new one that I just came out is specifically for, it's built for Forex and HFX, aka binary options. So I see a lot of continuations. I want to see if we can go 10-0 this morning. 10-0 is I like it. Chef JPY. Oh, y'all know I hate Chef, but I will look at Chef. We got a line way over there. Let me see what happens. Let me see if we get a cross. If we get a cross here, green here, close above here, I will take this trade. 10. Oh, whoa. OTC, I need to go 10 seconds. We got the cross. Go back. We got the cross right here. We got green here, but I did not create a higher high, meaning this candle is not bigger than this one. So I'm going to wait till I get some more momentum. And there's a triangle. We're not going to take that trade. We're going to wait. So now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to break this triangle, because right now we're creating a small zone, nothing big, nothing major, but I need to give it time to do what it wants to do. As you can see, those are my two lines. And then what I really like to do is take another line, guys, and put it in the middle of this to kind of split it up. There we go. All right. So, and what I'm looking for now, I'm trying to see if price is going to stay in this area. We know price likes to come back to our money line. Let's see if it comes down to our money line. There we go. Here we go. Boy, it's like riding a bike. Okay, it came close, but it didn't. We got green here, green here, green here. We broke. I need to break and close above that line. Then I will enter this next trade. Let's see if we close above. I'm going to take that trade at 10. There we go. Let's see if we can go 10 in a row, depending on how this market is. So I'm doing a 10-second trade in a 15-second. We got a massive pullback. I took a lesson there. Okay, so I may need, I'm gonna wait. Okay, 10. I'm still gonna take this trade. We got a pullback here. I will re-enter the man, I wanted a better entry. I tried to re-enter as it pulled back. So we can't go 10-0 because we already lost our first trade, but that's a clear. Come on. I'm gonna take that. I am 1-2. Did I enter that trade? I did enter that trade. Come on. Okay, this one may not be ready to go. You guys know I hate Chef, man. I never have any luck with Chef unless one of the students call it. It's just, it always happens. There's our fractal. I'm done with Chef. Not looking at Chef. All right, let's see here. What we got? We're selling. Boom. Red here. We got our cross. That's good. We're underneath. Now that's good. Red candle. That's good. Buyers are pushing up. Buyers are coming in. So right now, what I'm really looking for is I'm looking for red here before I enter this trade. Looking for red here. And I'm also looking for another triangle to appear to give me the momentum for a reversal so I can take sales. But I got a red triangle here telling me it wants to buy. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to be patient right now and wait. So when I do get my green triangle, what I'm looking at right now is that I do have these triangles here that could be levels. Okay, we got red, we got red, we got red. Okay, close below. I needed to close below. Give me some momentum. Still have buyers trying to push this candle up. I may need to adjust my time maybe today. Okay, there's my frac. Looking at my triangle. Looking at this as well. I need more. I need this to make a decision of what it wants to do. It's indecisive right now. Green's on top. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. Green's on top. I'm not trading. Just gonna wait. Oh man, this is USD. USD has news, guys. USD has news. Major news. Get away from USD. Get away. EDJPY. Man. What you want to do? You're above. We could take you for buys. We can, if it presents itself. Green here. We're above. We're above our money. We just got a green triangle. I need green here. I need green here. Then I will enter this trade. This does not have a lot of momentum, though, guys. It's Friday. You guys know how it is. But AUD CAD, let's go look real quick. AUD CAD.
Just so you know, that's not an OTC, so it's gonna put you in a 1 minute
Oh,
trade.
oh, my. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And it just got tight. Let's go back over here. What we got? What we got? USD Chef. I'm not messing with you, Chef. You're the only thing that's looking really good right now, though. Continuations. AUD CAD, ERJPY, selling. You're dropping. There's small waves here. There's small waves. Boom. There's boom. Oh man, I actually like this. There's small waves. What is this? ERJPY, EJ. Close you out. EJ. Man. JPY is
Suggestion,
one. Yeah, what you got, bro? What you got? What you got? What you got?
EUR, Rube,
Ooh. What you want to do? Walk me through it. What you want to do?
what? I was just looking. It looked like it was going to be going up, but it just hit that fractal and red doji. Now it's headed back down to that money line. So it looked like it's coming down, but
I'm saying sales all day. Let me ask you a question. What UTC are you on?
5.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Yep. I'm looking for the same thing, but we just gotta wait. Gotta be patient. She's not ready. Anybody else see anything else? Hey, Flex, so you go ahead and continue to watch EUR Rube, okay? Let's see here. Let me see here. Nope. Nope. Uh-oh. Give me a buy. Oh man, give me a buy. Yep. Give me a buy. Yep. Go ahead. I need you to break some levels though before I get in you. I need you to break some levels. Man, you got 1, 2, you're above that one. Let's break that level right there. I'm looking to take AUDJPY.
That's not an OTC.
Good grief. Everything I want to take right now. So I'll take 60-second trades then. Because this is setting up. Good. I'll take 60 seconds. Yep, I'm taking this. I'm taking that. I'm gonna take that. Let's go. Let's see what you do here. You broke that level. Keep pushing. Man, this it wants to turn around up here. It does. It does. Still green on top. 15. Come on. 45 seconds left on this one. Red Doji. Are you gonna come back to the money right now? I want more momentum. More momentum. No, she's about to tank on me. Yep, she's tanking on me. She is tanking. There's the red. There's the money. Continuation. There's red right there. There's green. Buyers are coming in. I'd say it has to be at a high right there. That's a lesson too. It's terrible. JPY is so weak right now as well. We're just going to pull back inside of a larger candle. Put a 5-minute candle real quick. Yeah, we're just going to pull back in a larger candle. That's all we are right now. So 3 minutes left before that one is even ready. Okay, I understand. I got you. What we got? What we got? What we got?
Yeah, you might want to come on back.
To EUR Ruby? Chef is going. EUR Ruby? Oh, bro, yes. Yes. Simulations all day after the. Let's see here. Let's take it. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we're doing.
You on 1 minute.
Oh, gosh. Oh. Man, boy, I tell you, Doc. I tell you. All right, let's go back to 10. Let's go back to 10. All right. We're going to take this next one as well. We're going to get these continuations, man. All right. Oh, my goodness. Come on, give me the drop. Go ahead, 10. Oh, yeah, I'll take you as well. See if we get that double drop. Get the double drop. Get the double. Oh, you was right there. Look at you. Is she getting tired? Is she getting to up? Caution. Ah. Come on, break that level. Come on. All right, we got that. We cleared. That's a caution, though. I'm going to chill. I'm going to chill. Nope, didn't create a new low yet. There we go. Come on, break it. Break it. Break it. I'm not going to take this next one. I'm going to watch. I need it to break. I need to really break below that level. And then once it breaks and closes below that level, I'm going to wait to the next one as well. Another one. Man, so now I got, there we go. There we go. There we go. 10, I'll take you here. Taking this next one as well. Looking to take this next one as well. I'm going to ride the wave, y'all. Ride the wave. Pull back. If I get a pullback above my entry, I will re-enter again like there. I'll take that risk. I will. That's clear. Taking this next one as well. Oh. Let's go. Good call, Flex. Good call. Good call, Flex. Good call.
No problem.
Boom. Then, boom, take it. Ooh, major pullback. Uh-oh. What you want to do? Do you want to give me a fractal? I think you want to turn around. What you gonna do? There we go. Caution. I'm gonna wait. This is a nice little run. This is a nice little run. I don't need to go anywhere else. James, I know you over there trading on your live account, bro. I heard you. How many did you clear?
I was being cautious. I only did like 3 of them.
Okay.
Yeah, I caught like 3 in a row.
I knew you was trading, bro. So now I'm just gonna wait. So you guys know. So those of you who've been using this strategy, where does price want to go to right now?
On the line.
Where?
The money line.
Absolutely, the money line. Absolutely.
Yeah, I took 7 of those trades, cleared 5.
Cool. Good.
Right
You
on.
Flex, you on your live account too, ain't you?
Maybe not. We never know.
Tell him I can neither confirm nor deny that.
Oh man.
Right. I can't confirm or deny that.
Guys, listen, for those of you who are watching, I want you guys to be on your demo account. while learning this strategy. And once you get the strategy down, you do the test with me. We do our one-on-one session, and you display to me that you're ready to trade this on your live account by yourself, then go live. These guys, the two guys who are going live right now, they've already done the one-on-one with me.
Whoa, I neither confirmed nor denied that.
Oh man. Oh man, come on. I'm just waiting now, guys. I'm not gonna go anywhere else. I'm just waiting. I'm just gonna wait. Wendy, you see anything over there?
I'm looking.
Okay, all right.
I got a new.
Oh, Euro GB looks like it just crossed.
Hmm?
Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It did, but it's above. It's
Yeah.
above. It's above. Yeah, it's Friday. Oh man, thought we was about to go, y'all. Thought we was about to go. It's Friday, guys. We already know how Fridays are. For those of you who are watching, the best days to trade they are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Those are the best days. And the reason is because Friday, the big companies, they're pulling their money out. They're shutting down. They're not really going to trade. They're not going to hold those trades. So now you're looking at a lot of retail traders that are still in the market. And then as they do that, the market spreads on the Forex side tend to open up wider. And Monday, when the market opens up, and I'm talking about the Forex side right now, you'll see those spreads, the gaps in the market. So from where you enter the trade to where you have to reach to break even, then to go into profit, are extremely larger than what it would be on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So after the market correction from the weekend going into Monday, so on Tuesday, you'll start to see the prices come closer together. And then you start trading Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'm just sitting here waiting on her. What you gonna do? We know she still wants to come here. She doesn't have a lot of momentum right now to come touch our money line. So what I'm betting on, what I'm banking on is that she gets exhausted and we get a triangle before she gets up there. But if she does come up here, that's a good sign that we can continue to take her to the downside when she sets up. This was beautiful right here. Look, guys, got the cross right here, red here, red here. We're underneath. Ride the wave. Beautiful. You just got to be patient and wait. Now, I know some of you guys may be looking at this and you see the cross and you're like, hey, why don't you take this going for a buy? I don't trade against the trend. I want to trade with the trend. The momentum of this right now overall is a downtrend for the time period that we're looking at. So this right here is just a short pullback, a little reversal. I'd rather ride the wave with the trend than take this, because even though I can take these trades, I can lose every single one because I do not know when it's going to turn around. But this is looking very promising, but I'm not. That candle right there, you guys see how that went up massively and then
Yep.
pull back. Those one went up massively, pull back. And every single one of these candles that you guys see that they're flat. Well, these aren't flat. Flat bottom, but you have those sellers pushing back real strong. And it's still underneath our red line telling you that we should be selling. Flat bottom, flat bottom, flat bottom, touched our money line, flat, flat, flat. That's cool and all, but we're underneath my line. I'm trading with the trend. Like, I don't care about this. I don't. I stick to the rules of my strategy. And there we go. We just got that. That's what I like to see. So now we're underneath the red line. We have our triangle telling me that it wants to turn around. We've already touched the money. We have a red candle. We have another red candle. This candle has a flat top. We see the buyers are still trying to push it up, but this is a massive candle that engulfed this candle, meaning this candle is bigger than that candle, but green is still on top saying buyers are in control. We still have green here saying the overall price action is still buying. Then we just got our first caution, our first signal saying that it wants to go the other way. That coincides with what you see right here, Now we got another triangle. We just broke that level, so that's cool. That's good. Another red, flat top, flat top, flat top underneath the red line. We're going with the trend. That's what I want to see. Now I need my cross. I need my cross. I need my cross. So just to put this on the chart for you guys. So if you're looking at this and you're like, well, how far can it go down? Well, we got a triangle right here. It can at least go to that level. So that's letting you know how many of those trades you can potentially take. And I'm not taking that because that's super tight. I want it to break through like you see right here. I want it to break through. I need more. And then after that, the next level that it could possibly go to is right there. That's still super tight for me. I'm not taking that. Not me, not me. I know I could have cleared, but it's just not me. We'll see what this next one does. I'll hop in one. See, those buyers are still trying to come in. And look, buyers are still trying to come in right here. No, sir. No, sir. Not getting me. I can be patient and I can wait. Come on up and touch that money again. Let it come up, touch that money again. Give me another. I want to see another triangle now. That's what I want to see. I'll be patient. Be patient and wait. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's see how much momentum we want to get here. Now, even though we got this, what we did see right here was that the buyers were trying to come in and push it up, right? So it got to a point, the buyers like, yo, let's go in. So you see the buyers, all the buyers are trying to come in to rally this back up again. It already came and touched my money. So I'm looking for it to really turn around again. You've already touched the money, buddy. Let's go back down. And now I can see that it can at least go to this level right here. And then we have the other levels at the bottom. So this could be this could be really, really tight while trying to take these trades for 10 seconds. I wanted to break through all of this and go to the downside. As you see, let's see what happens here. Boom, boom. We got red. We got red. Let's see what it does with these levels now. Let's see. These are risky trades, guys. Risky trades. Let's see what she does. Boom. Broke that level. Broke that level. Looking for a cross. Boom, taking that one. I took that trade because we got the cross, we got red, and she dropped. Boom, broke that level, broke all three levels. Now I need price to close below that level. We cleared that trade. I'm not going to enter again unless it closes. Yep, boom, taking that. I needed price to close below that line right there, which it just did. Enter that trade. About being patient, man. Just being patient. And I'm going to take the next trade. I will take every single trade until I get a caution or until I get an abort mission. Whoa, that's a massive gap. That is a huge gap. That is a huge gap. So I answered. Oh, man, that was a huge gap. I answered here, but the next candle, there was a gap right there that pulled back. Huge. I don't need you to tell me good job. That was a huge gap. Normally, you don't see that. Normally you would get the continuation, but I mean, you can't control what the market is doing. It happens. So now price is coming back up. We got our reversal. We got our triangle. It's pushing back up. We know we already have our lines. These lines right here are still valid. We have another area right here that we really need to break right here. Like it's telling the story right now. So the thing is, we need to see what price is going to do inside of these levels. Is it going to come back up and maybe touch our money line? I don't know. It's respecting this level right here right now. These levels in between, it's really not respecting those levels. It's not. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see.
So on its way back down, you want it to get all the way down to the bottom line.
Yeah, I really wanted to break and close below here. But if I get another, like I had that triangle right there, if I get a good triangle and everything else lines up, I will trade it back down to this level. But I will trade it to this level knowing that I could lose, could take some lessons because it could respect these levels right here. But the ultimate goal is to have it come back up here, touch again, and then start dropping back down. What I'm looking at now is I wanted it to stop right here. I didn't want it to pass that level, but it did. And it's still getting a little rejection in that area. So, oh man, there's another one. Right here. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Look at the turnaround point. Exactly where it's at. Boom. It didn't touch that money. It respected that level. And now it's trying to push back, but I don't have red here, so I'm not going to go. There we go. There's red. So I needed to close below this level. So I'm not going to take that trade for a sell or a put because it's stuck in there. I want it to close below that line, so then I can possibly take it to that level. And then if it pulls back, it stops at that level right there. There we go. So now we just got another triangle. Man, I'm ready to be done with this pair. Just walk away and call it a day. For real, for real. What time is it? Is it 9:15 yet? Yeah, it's after
Yes.
9:15. It's after 9:15. So let's see what she does. So boom. So you see how she broke below? Let's see what
Right.
she does. And now you got price really stuck in between those two levels right there. So if she breaks and closes below this level, I can look at taking it to this level. And then I want her to break to the downside to catch a bigger wave. So I'm just watching right now, just watching. Pull back. See how she respecting that level right there? There's not enough momentum for EUR right now to continue. There we go. These are going to be long, steady trades. So a time like this, I would probably change my time frame to 15 seconds to take advantage of the whole. Man, I was about to say, don't do that. So I answered that trade because the price closed below that line. I might need to do 15 seconds, guys. There we go. We cleared that trade. Now she's back up inside there. So now she's at the 50% level of these two lines. I don't want to trade off the 50% level of those lines. I either want to trade at that top line going down or at this bottom. Oh, well, not at this underneath. There we go. Going down. There we go. Green. Ah, man, I could have took that to that area. Let's see if she pulls back for me. Nope. It's okay. Let's go. Now I needed to close below that level. So literally, I could have took this trade from up here going to this level right here. It's green. She's at that 50. I'm not going to take her at the 50. I'm okay with that. All right, close below. Come on. See what she's respecting that level. We already know this is the level, guys. We already know. We see it right here. We needed to break. There we go. I needed to close below. Close below. Close below. We got those buyers. Y'all see those buyers trying to come in? Buyers are trying to come in. Not taking it. Be patient. 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 It's at the 50% level. I could have drawn a line right here, but you guys can visualize the 50% level, probably about right there in the middle. All right, green. All right, come on, buyers. So now what I want to see, now that we have buyers in, I want to see if the buyers are going to push it up to this level and then it closes below like that. So I can take it for a put or sell going back to this bottom line. And I got green, so I'm not going to enter because the buyers are coming in right now. I don't want to enter for a sell when the buyers are coming in. I want to sell when the sellers come in. That's a green doji. So that tells me it wants to go up. There we go. I like that. So now this is another retest of that level, saying how strong that level is. We already had one back here. That's why we drew the line. And then we just got another one. I need price to break below that level now. There we go. Boom. Come on. See if I get a pullback. I'm going to take that at 10 because it dropped down so low. It's risky, but I did. I'm going to take a lesson on that. Now she's back inside that box. I thought she was ready to go. She's not ready.
Yeah.
She's not ready. And now also what I see is these lines getting a lot closer. Up and drop down. I like that. I like that. Now come on. Now that's another level. You guys see that other level right there? So now I think I'm gonna be done with this. Because now she's just trading inside the zone. There's another one just dropped down even more. So I'm going to go ahead and slide these down because now those zones are getting tighter. Got more momentum. I can potentially take this down to this level because red, if it closes below, but it's above that line. I'm not going to take it. I need that candle to close below that line so I can take it to that level. Let's see. Let's see if it breaks that level. What you going to do? Okay, you broke. How high you gonna go? We just got another level. Yeah, I'm about to be done with those pair.
I think we got our wave off of it.
We did. We did. We did. We did. See what else she gonna do. I need to turn that on. So now she's just playing in the zone. So I know James, you liked Plumber. You like to trade from zone to zone, right? You love zone to zone trading.
Yeah, yeah. Because I don't try. I don't have the reckoning. So when I'm doing like the Daniel,
Yeah, yeah.
I try not to get greedy. Like, all right, let me catch 15 of them. Let me catch a good five. Like Flex, they did like 5 out of 7. I try
Yeah.
to do something like that, and like, all right, jump in, jump out.
Right, right, right. Understandable. Absolutely. Get your money and go. Now this is starting to go sideways, guys. So
Yeah,
this
this
is
I don't like.
so this is like the other day I was like, yo, learn one pair. So like if you see this and you're at home, this is a time where you can do something else. Just leave your screen up and just go do something else and come back and look at it versus just watching the screen the whole time. Like there's no need. Now we're turning into a buy. We just hit our money. But this is a great training purpose right now. All right. So now there's so many levels that we have to break through right now, though. So many. This is one of those pairs I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm good. I want something where there's free range where we can just go. We got some buys here, huh? We sure do. Need to break that level, create a higher high. Looking at EURGBP, Wendy called this earlier, but I needed to break that level over there to the left before I enter this trade. So it needs to break that level. And then it also needs to break this level before I enter this trade to the upside. Man, there's a third one right there. It's super tight. There's another one right there. It's super tight. So if it breaks all 3 of those levels to the upside, we know we can take this trade up to the next level before we get the massive wave of the continuation. So it came back, it touched the money here, dropped below, reverse, came back up, touched this level. So I'm looking for it to touch our money again. Hopefully it doesn't break all the way through like what you see right here. And then maybe we can go ahead and get some to the upside going to that level. We see that the candles are spiking off that first level, which is drawn way back here. It's still respecting on that level back here, but we needed to go ahead and break through. We're not going to enter this trade right now because we still have our caution, but we are above. So we're looking for buys. There we go. Breakthrough, breakthrough, breakthrough. Come on. Let's see what you do. It's respecting that level. Just got another triangle right here, which is good. We created a higher high, which is good. We have flat bottoms, which is good. I need a breakthrough though. I needed to break above and close above this top line. Another higher high, that's good, but I needed to break through. It's slowly getting there. I'm waiting for the explosion. Waiting for the explosion. There we go. Come on. Come on. Now I could wait on the close of this candle. I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take that trade. I'm going to take it. 10 seconds. Let's go. Then I'm going to see if I can potentially take every single one. Oh, you son of a biscuit. Pull back and pull back. I'm still taking this trade. Smaller candle. Looking for that push up. Looking for that push. There we go. That's at 10. Man, look at you playing with my emotions. I'm about to take a lesson here too. Come on. Break through. Break through. Triangle. Man, that's a whole. There we go. It's at 10. I'll take you there. Come on. Come on. 3. That 1. I'm going to take you as well. I got a caution. I got a caution. There we go. Break through. Looking for the continuation. Where's that massive push? You're super close. There you go. You got to be kidding me. No, she's dropping. Now she flipped right here. Come touch our money. Come and touch our money. Came close. Green, green, green. Red, caution. Red's on top, not taking this trade. Got wicks on both sides. I do not like this. This is tug of war. Wick on the bottom of this candle still too. Green on top right there. I like that. Come on.
This, oh, it's almost 10 o'clock. CAD, USD, refresh, currency strength meter, EUR, GBP, NZD, and USD.
What'd you see on EUR GBP?
Oh no, I was refreshing the currency strength meter
Mm-hmm.
just to see where everything was at. EUR, GBP, and NZD are now at full bars with USD.
Jeez.
Chef is going to be on this way up. All the currencies are stronger right now
Oh,
than they
no.
were.
Abort mission. Let me go look at that. Let me go
Yeah,
look.
all the currency strengths changed.
Let's go look. Let's go see what we got. What we got. What we
And
got.
then we got some news coming up at 10 o'clock for USD and CAD. That's probably why that's probably why it's not moving like we think it is. Like we think it's supposed to.
Boy,
We forget.
it's them Fridays, man. Them Fridays. EUR GBP
Whoa.
maxed out.
Did it?
Getting the drop. That's crazy. That is nuts. What? Oh my goodness, what just happened? Both of them super strong. Oh my. Look at that drop.
Yeah.
Man, run away. Run away.
Oh dang! All the strengths done changed again just since I refreshed
Man, that's
2
that
seconds
news.
ago.
That's that news,
Yeah,
bro. That's that news. Mm-mm.
you taking a massive drop here though on that euro and that on that EUR GBP getting below that red line.
I'm not gonna trade that because they're both even in strength.
Yeah,
That's a red flag for me because it can go either way.
yeah,
Either way.
it's looking crazy.
Oh man, I see it, but everything is saying sell though right now. It just dropped tank. But now you got all those bars right here. I'm not messing with that. Mm-mm.
Mm,
Looks
mm,
very
mm.
promising though, man. Very promising. Boom, pro continuations. See if it breaks that level. Oh, let's see if I can get one. See if I can get one. Look at that. Nope, I'm not trading that. I got my money back on that one. I'm not trading that. But EUR Chef, what is EUR Chef looking like?
Ooh, looking like a buy.
Who got the strength?
Let's see.
Y'all know I hate trading
You
EUR
are?
Chef. EUR deal? Okay. Y'all know I hate
Yeah.
trading Chef, boy. Y'all know.
Yeah, EUR got the strength.
I'm just waiting on my signal. Nope. I'm just waiting on my signal, man. Waiting on my signal. We got a signal already back here. That was the first signal, but it wasn't ready to right here. It took that wave. So I'm trying to see if we're going to get another signal on EUR Chef. And what I mean by that signal, guys, is I'm looking for a green to come on top of that red again. Oh, here we go. Let's see, paying out 92%. 10-second trades. Let's see what happens. It didn't come touch the money. Let's see what we get. There's a cross. Boom. Triangle. I need green before I enter. Then I'll look to take at least to that level up there. Watch that. What you gonna do? Are you gonna come touch the money? All right, it came and touched the money. All right, what you gonna do? Man, this thing looks so reckless, man. Y'all see how Chef just be moving? All right, come on. Boom, green, green. We got green, got green. No triangle, though. No triangle. There it is. Now let's see if it breaks that level. I will re-enter again. I wanted to break that level. Pull back some more. Let's see what you do here. Yep, taking it. Let's go. Come on. Break that level. So it's still holding tight at that level.
You're trying this again.
Mhm.
You are still got the strength.
Okay. I'm waiting for it to break and close above that level right now. Man, I wanted that earlier. 10? I'll take that. I'll take that. Oh, caution. 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 Close above there. Close above there. You gonna break? You gonna break? There we go. Are you gonna higher high? Man, she don't want to go. She don't want to go. There's a caution. There's a caution. There we go. Broke the caution. Still above. No double entry. Three. That's a massive pullback inside that candle. I'm not trading that yet. Nope. I didn't take this trade because on this candle, price pulled all the way back inside this candle. Yeah, I'm done. Cool. Done. That's enough. That's enough. Who got the next trade? Natasha, you got the next trade. What's up? Show us what you got. Come on. Unmute the line. What you
I'm
got?
just what I mean, I'm just watching like what you are doing.
What strategy do you have?
The reckoning.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's rough today. It is rough. It is rough today. It is rough. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Nelly, what you
I
got? What
got
you got?
some.
You got some? Wait. What
Yeah.
you mean you got some? What you mean?
Actually, my account is at 52,000. You know, they gave me 50,000. So I'm at 2,000 something.
Whoa. You growing your account?
My demo account.
You growing your account?
Yes. It's
Wait
just
a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This ain't the same lady who said, yo, I'm not doing this. I think I'm done with trading. But
No, okay.
I don't think I could do this today. But you over there growing your account though.
Actually, I've been doing it. It's just like I feel like I don't know. I need to know more what I'm doing. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing still.
Yep.
That's why I'm like, okay. It's just like, okay, I get it. I go. Actually, it was 53,000 something.
Okay.
And then I've been taking lessons.
Okay.
So I'm like, man, something that I'm not doing right. So I don't know. So maybe one day I will go see one of you guys that know what you guys doing, and then we're gonna do it together and we'll
you can
see.
do that. All you got to do is keep showing up. So right now it's the end of the year. The market is trash. Well, it's the new year, beginning of the year now. But at the end of the year, the market was trash. But now everything is starting to catch back up. And it really won't really correct till the beginning of February, to be honest, middle of February when it starts correcting the right way. So get your 2 to 3%, maybe 5%, and stop trading. Be done. And only take trades that are good setups. I mean,
That
I,
part, because when I see the money, when I start making money, I'm like, oh, I need to keep going so I can make more.
Mm-mm.
I think you need to talk to Mr. Plumber about
Nah.
that. Mr. Plumber, you need to talk to Nelly,
Nah.
talk
So,
to
Mr.
Wendy,
Plumber,
Uh-uh.
talk to Lula.
Mr.
They'll all tell you.
So Mr. Plumber is the one with the percentage, whatever how they call it, right? That
Yeah.
can help me.
Hmm.
Yeah. So I
Tell you
need
when to
to
stop.
stick. I need to.
I'm
I
like,
need
all
to
right.
stick with Mr. Plumber because that's what happened. Every time I'm trying, I'm like, oh, it's more money. I'm doing good. Let me just keep going, and then boom, I started losing the money. I keep going more, or I've been like, triple it when I see I did one right, and I'm be like triple, quadruple it just so I can make more,
Oh,
and then it's just
no, no,
Mm-mm.
no. Wendy, talk to her, Wendy. Wendy, talk to her.
Don't do it.
Tell her why, Wendy. Tell her why.
Uh, well, be like you prior to you have to have a plan before going in, and you have to stick to that plan because that greed will get you, and it's gotten us.
okay. Yeah, and I've been saying that to myself. I need to have a plan. They know
And
not to
stick to it.
continue and stuff, but it's just like I can't. I
Even if
can't stop
it's
doing it.
made, and if it's within your percentage for that day, just stop because
Okay, it's just like I.
it will add up.
Okay, it's just like I can do five in a row, and then boom, 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 and I get all of them, and then boom, now I started losing them again.
You hit 5 in a row. You should be done. What do you mean? You hit 5 in a row. You should be done. Like, what's going on? Now, because man, like, I know you guys see me. I might catch like 10 in a row sometime. But remember today, I was like, yo, I'm looking for 10 in a row. I didn't get 10 in a row. I lost the very first one. Then I lost like a few more. Realistically, if I wasn't on my demo today and wasn't teaching a class, I would have shut it down. Like, nope, you're not getting my money today, market. Absolutely not. But then when I found one, I think we ran like 3, maybe 4, 5 in a row. Then the market did something else, like 4 in a row. So it's okay. And it also depending on the pair that you're looking at, what that pair is doing, you know, be okay with taking one trade and shutting it down. Be okay with taking 2 and 3 trades and shutting it down. If you're getting 5 in a row, take out 80% of your profit and then just trade with that with the last 20% and try to do it again versus going 5 in a row, trying to get 5 in a row again and then losing everything. Play with, I talked about this yesterday. Play with the market money. Don't play with your money. Take some of that money out and don't trade with it, if you want to trade that way. So then you still walk away with something and not nothing. What you got
Makes
for it,
sense.
Nelly about to bring some sauce. Nelly, what you got for her?
No, I'm quiet today.
Oh, Nelly is quiet. Okay, Nelly. All right. Lula, what you got for her? I can't hear you. You muted. You muted.
Nothing.
What? Bayam, what you got? What you got for her?
Not a ting, not a ting.
Okay, okay. Tim, what you got for her? Y'all done snuck in the room on me, huh? Tim, I ain't even know you was up in here, dog. My boy Tim. Tim, what you got for
Take your money and run.
her?
You know, my biggest thing stopping the greed monster. Slap
Yeah.
that laptop and run. Live to fight another day.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Latitia, good to see you. Cassie, what's up? What you got for her?
I agree with Tim 100%.
What you agree with? What you agree with?
The greed monger. That's the lesson I've learned. So it's just trying to humble yourself and going back to the basics and taking the time
Yep.
to
Everybody goes through the greed monster.
Man.
Everybody, y'all. even I find myself going through it sometimes. And when I see it, I'm like, no, cut it off, unplug my internet, and walk away, man. Because I know how good this strategy is. I will keep going, man, and just go, go, go. Like, I'll
That-
some days I take $20. I'm like, yo, I just want to make 2 grand. And I'll run it up. I'll get the 5, I'll get the 8, I'll get the 12, I'll get the 15. I'm right there at 2. Then I'll go on a losing streak. And then I'm like, man, you know what? I'm gonna just bet 500, lose. Like, man, like, man, I'm like, well, I might as well bet the rest of it. You know what I'm saying?
That's what happened to me.
And then, like, I'm telling you guys, this happened to me. Like, it'll go up. I'll be winning that trade. I'm like, yo, I'm a dope trader. You can't tell me nothing. And I'll be winning. And then at the last second, the broker come take it right back. And I'm like,
hey, tell him the truth.
you're right. Right. And I'll be like, yo, I know better. And it's because I got cocky and I didn't stick to the plan, but I pulled some extra money just to go have fun. But even though when I do that, because I know I can, I still got to stick to the script because I don't want to just give them the money. And that's exactly what I did. But yeah, I'm gonna
That's
tell
what the
y'all.
greed monster do.
I'm gonna tell y'all the real, man. I'm gonna tell y'all the real. Like, that's why I got multiple accounts, man. I got other accounts where I can do that. You know, if you don't have another account to do that, create one. Create a $20 account. Now they allow you to create an account with $5. Go create an account with $5 and take a dollar trade if you want to do that. You okay with losing $5, but grow your $5. Take that $5 and treat it as if it's $5,000. You know? Don't let that number fool you guys. Don't let the big numbers fool you. I know you guys want to get there. Some of you guys are already there and want to continue to get it bigger, but it's not about the number. I want you to focus on the percentage. It's the percentage. How many you win? Okay, let me get Natasha off pen. I don't put the spotlight on too long now. We got all right, cool. Any other questions, comments, concerns? Yo, this is gonna be good for the recording. You know, they normally don't see this part when we talk. You know, we gonna put it out there though. And if you guys haven't watched that video from yesterday, go watch that video. I uploaded that video. People are loving it. They like it. It is what it is. That's what it is. It's Friday. We'll be attempting to do an AGB class. Do you guys want the AGB class? Boy, Cassie got her camera on. Oh boy, man, I'm glad you turned it on because Wendy sent me a message. She was like, hey, Cassie ain't got her camera on, but I ain't gonna kick her, but you can. That's what Wendy said, y'all. That's what Wendy said. She got her mic muted right now, so y'all can't hear her cussing me out right now. Oh, hey, sis. Hey, I thought you was on a phone call. My bad. How you doing, man? And then another thing for all my fellas on here that are trying to use your hair product for men, Mr. Plumber has the juices and berries for your beard. It works magic. I just started my product. It's still coming in. I thought I was gonna get some black back, but I didn't. It's just continuing to stay gray. So I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something there. Bayon's rubbing a little bit on his head, and hopefully he gets some hair up there too as well. But anyway, man, for those of you that are tuning in to the channel, I greatly appreciate it. It's Friday. It is what it is. That's why you're on your demo account on Friday. For those of you who are on your live account, you guys took some trades. It was a rough morning. It's Friday. You guys seen the Forex market, seeing how the news was, but we will be back again Monday with another strategy. I think Monday I will be revealing the Chevelle or the Raven strategy again, or maybe the Daniel the Reckoning. I don't know. I will be doing one of the new ones for sure. We might do a 2-for-1 Monday. And then Saturday, we will be trying to do the AGB class as well. Cool. So thank you. Oh, and another thing. You guys know I don't be trying to grow the YouTube channel like that, but I did just hit 400 plus subscribers on YouTube. So those of you who are watching, those of you that are subscribed, I greatly appreciate it. And I only want you to subscribe to my channel if you find the content that I provide to you to be of valuable information and that you can apply what we're teaching here on this channel. And then if you want to go a little bit farther with this, with what we're doing, I do have a free Telegram. You guys are more than welcome to join the Telegram. I normally put a link down in the description, but if I don't, just put a comment below. I'll reach out to you and send you the Telegram link. Remember, I would never ever ask you to give me money for me to trade for you. That's not what I'm doing. That's not what I will do. That's not what we stand for in this trading community over here. So until next time, it's your brother KOBK, and the KOBK stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. You guys that are on the call, stay on the call for Q&A, and then I'll see y'all Saturday. Everything is color coordinated. Candles underneath the red line, that's 1. Red on top, that's 2. Red down here, that is 3. 1, 2, that's 3. Those are the 3 signals to enter the trade to let you know that it's a good trade. But what we look for, our entry point when taking these trades, is our cross right here.